Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, we are going to share with you with the guest paper of Pakistan Studies 2059/01 of October-November 2020. As you all know that guest paper could not be as much same as your would be the actual paper, but still in this video we'll be sharing the most shared topics of your paper. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna start about the with the video as a Pakistan Studies with the Pakistan Studies, the syllabus code of 2059/01. Okay, and now we are just going to with the date. Today's date is about 22nd of September. Okay. And now with the compulsory question. The most you can say problematic thing is about the compulsory question, as we do have a two section of the paper, section A and of section B. Okay, and now it's been quite difficult for us to find that what would be the question that would be most probably the compulsory question. Now, first of all, I'm just sharing with you some analysis of from the last 2 years. If we just go with the summer 18, okay, and for summer 18 we can just come to know that the question 1 was with the section C, okay, question 2 was of the section A, 3 of B, 4 of B and 5 of C. Now for winter 18, we have the question 1 of the section number B, question 2 section A, question 3 of section B again, and we have a 2 question of the section C. Okay, this is a compulsory question. Okay, number 1 is a compulsory question, while the 4 question are of section B, and you must need to attempt any 2 from these 4. Okay, the most shared section or the most shared question would be the question number 1. Okay, now move on to the summer 19. For summer 19 we do have a question number 1 compulsory as a question, section A, question 2 section A, question 3 section A, and question 4 section B, question 5 section C. Now for the winter 19 we do have a question number 1 as a section number B, question 2 section A, then again B, then again B, and then we have a C. A lot of B questions, B section came in the winter 19 as well. These are again as a compulsory question. Now you can just look at that C, D, A, B. Now for the summer 20, unfortunately due to the pandemic, summer 20 paper wasn't held. So that I'm just writing word there. Summer 20 wasn't held, so most probably if you just go with the analysis or if you just go with the prediction. So first it was section C, B, A, B. So to the point, if you just go with that, so it should be the section C. But no, it came from the section A, which was quite astonishing and quite, you can say, unpredictable. Now second question was from the section A again. Third question was of section B, 4B, 5C, and it was quite unfortunate and quite unpredictable as you just go with the analysis. From the winter 19 we do have 1 question of the section C and 1 question of the section C in summer 20 again. So now in this winter 20, for winter 20, the most probably the prediction would be like the question number 1 would be coming from the section C, question 2 coming from the section A, question 3 coming from the section B, then 4 we do have a C, and 5 we do have a C as well. And yes, this could be the most possible, you can say, section that could be coming in the winter 20. Sorry, it's a winter 20, my mistake. And yeah, for the you can say just with the question number 4, the question number 4 might be with the B section as well, or else it would be the same prediction as with the guest paper. So for section A, that would be compulsory. It's coming from your books, section C. Okay. And for section B, we do have these 4 questions. Okay. Now I am just erasing the old analysis of the questions that came in our exam of history. Now we are coming to the topics. The topics that could be the most stared topics in the exam, and which we okay. According to my point of view, every student must need to learn all of the topics, all of the section, and almost all of the syllabus, and that's the perfect thing to do. But still, we do have something more in our mind as well, that which topic are the most important. So if we just go with the category of the most important, so most important can only become if we just go with the coming question that I am going to discuss with you guys. Okay. According to my analysis, according to my research work, if we just go with the winter 20, for example, it is your paper of winter 20. The question 1 might be possible with the section C. So section C would be coming with the, you can say, a topic of Ziaul Haq. Okay. And yeah, with the relations of Pakistan with the countries like the India, Afghanistan, you can say USA, USSR, yeah. And the last topic would be the personalities like the Khwaja Nazimuddin, and you can say about the prime ministers, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, and all that. Okay, that topic we should become in the paper. Okay. Now it is a compulsory question. Section C already marked over there. Okay. Now for the question number 2. The question number 2 could be from section A, as already been discussed, and the topic that are more stated one, like the religious reformers. Okay. Religious reformer and the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan topic. Okay. But question number 3, that would become from the section B, so like the round table conferences, okay, the commission, the Simon Commission, and all that. And the last thing that could be the remaining is of the reversal of Bengal, partition of Bengal, and the reforms like the Montel-Chamfort reform, okay, or the Morley-Minto reform. Okay. Now the 4th question that might become, if it would be going with the section number C. Okay, B. For example, we're just considering as section B. So the topic that could be remaining is about the Gandhi Jinnah talks. Okay. And Gandhi Jinnah talks. And with the Khilafat movement as well. Okay. And the 5th question that might become, and a topic that could be discussed or could become in the paper is about Benazir Bhutto, about the Ayub Khan reforms, and Ziaul again, if not in the number 1 question, so Ziaul again. And lastly, the problems after partition. Okay, first topic of section C. Yes, these are the analysis that I will just preparing from last 2 to 3 days, and I will got with you guys with the section A compulsory, with the section C of your book, winter 20, the section C compulsory A, B, C, C, or A, B, B, C. So yes, the thing that is the 100%, the 2 questions of section C, or 3 questions of the section C might be coming in the exam, and that is the, you can say, quite sure about that 2 questions might be coming in the section C as well. So do prepare well, and if you have any problems, so just comment on our video link. Hopefully you enjoy the video and it will be very much helpful in your exams as well. Okay, till now, Allah Hafiz.